Hey guys, so I've been using my GoPro quite a bit lately. I love it a lot, but it does go through the batteries quickly. If you're getting a GoPro, this charger is not a bad way to go. So this Artman battery charger comes with 3 batteries, and to get them out, obviously you just pop them out like that. Just pull the little thing out, put them back in. You got these little light indicators that shows where how's it going. Charges them up nice and quick. So I got a total of 4 batteries, and if you're going to be recording semi-constantly, it's a good thing to have these spares. Definitely a nice GoPro bonus if you do a lot of recording like I plan on doing, and obviously I do because I have a lot of videos. But anyways, thanks for watching this. If you guys want to check this out on Amazon, I'll leave a link in the description below. But definitely a must-have if you are using a GoPro. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. We'll see you next time.